Hey everybody, welcome back to another Crypto Tax Girl video. My name's Joe Howe. I'm the head of operations at Crypto Tax Girl. And today I want to talk to you about why it's so important to label your wallets differently in coin tracking or whatever crypto tax software you are using. So jumping right in, we're on the Ethereum address and wallet import page where I can pop in a wallet address. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that here. And I'm going to show you what happens if I just import that as is. And I'll actually go ahead and throw two wallet addresses in because that's going to really emphasize why this is so important to break these up. Now that these have been loaded in, as you can tell, the check now button is back. So that means they've gone through a cycle of loading in. We can go take a look on the enter coins page. And so the big problem with this is these are all going to show up under the default labeling of ETH wallet, right? So we don't know which wallet is which when they just all pull through as ETH wallet. So if there were balance problems or if this wallet sends funds to that other ETH wallet, we're not going to know, and they're all just going to be labeled under this ETH wallet label. So that's a problem for us when we're doing a reconciliation and we're trying to clean up data, right? We want these to be separated so that we can see them in two different lights and know where there's problems with one wallet versus the other wallet. So how we do that, it's super simple and it's something that not a lot of people do. So I'm just giving you a little tip here that's going to go a long way, save you a lot of headache when you are doing this. So back on the imports page, we are going to delete these and delete this one. And then what I'm going to do also is just really quickly, I'm going to delete the data because just deleting the address isn't going to delete the data. So I've got to delete the ETH wallet data. So I'm deleting that. And then in here, we'll grab those same two wallet addresses, put that there, and then under label, I'm going to put the wallet address. And then here, I'm going to put ETH wallet 1. Or maybe this was your MetaMask. We'll put MetaMask. Import that. And now I can bring in the second wallet. And this could have been a my Ether wallet. So we'll put Mu here for my Ether wallet. So now they've got two different labels and they've got two different exchange names. So this is really, really going to help us when these do import and we look at that data. We're going to be able to see them in two separate buckets and make better decisions and reconcile easier with that. Okay, now that these two wallets have loaded in with the separated exchange and label name, let's go take a look at the transaction data and see how much of a difference this makes. So now, instead of searching ETH wallet and looking at both of those wallets as one, I can individualize this and look at just the MetaMask wallet and know that when I search this, all the transactions that appear here are just related to that one MetaMask wallet address. And I can do the same with the My Ether wallet. And again, this is just going to save you so much time when you're reconciling your data because, again, what if there was negative balances or there was problems on the My Ether wallet, but we lumped it in with the MetaMask, so now when I'm looking at those transactions, it would be hard for me to tell where that problem is. Now, if I see a problem with the My Ether wallet, I can just go and search My Ether wallet, look at those transactions, and know what I'm trying to find and find it a whole lot easier. So again, highly recommend that you do this step. A lot of people don't. It's a small little thing, but it goes a long way and makes a big difference. And on top of that, any chain that you're doing this on, if you've got multiple Bitcoin wallets, multiple AVAX wallets, whatever chain you're using, make sure you label them differently so you can look at them differently in the data. If you need help with any of these steps or reconciling your data, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. I'll put the link to our consultations in the description. And then I'll also put a link to our course, which covers all of this, every step of our process on how we reconcile our clients' accounts, in the description as well. Again, feel free to reach out to us anytime via email or consultation.